Do you hate the taste of plain, regular water? We all know that we're supposed to drink about 100 liters a day, but sometimes it's really hard. Well, viewers, you're in luck because today we're gonna boost your water routine. Not only will these yummy things make your water taste better, but they come with a healthy boost too. And we're not gonna talk about lemon water because you already know how good that one is. Can't I just buy healthy flavored water at the store? Should I be drinking salt water? What's detox water? We're gonna answer all these questions and many more. Stick around until the end because we're also gonna bust some common myths about infused water. What's your favorite thing to add to your water? Tell us quickly below in the comments. What is detox water? Quickly, before we get into some delicious ways to make your water taste better, we need to understand detox water. Detox water is basically a fancy name for infused water, so that can be water that has either fruit, veggies, or herbs in it that has been soaked for a long time. There's a lot of claims about what detox water can actually do for your health, but before we bust what it can't do for you, here are some recipes that will actually benefit your body. Number 1. Salt water. Okay, so this one might not make your water taste delicious, but it will have a new taste, that's for sure. The saltwater flush is for anyone who has tummy troubles or issues with bowel movements like constipation. It's said that drinking salt water can cleanse the colon, remove waste buildup, and can even clear any parasites from your digestive tract. While there's little concrete evidence to back up these claims, there are about 1,000,001 testimonials online about the great things a saltwater flush can do. Plus, one 2010 study did say that drinking lukewarm salt water along with yoga poses can help cleanse the bowels. So this is a good option if you're prone to constipation. Do not drink this if you're planning on going out during the day. Many people warn that you'll need to stay close to a bathroom for at least a few hours. Number 2. Lime water. We're supposed to drink 8 8-ounce glasses of water every single day, so let's jazz it up. Adding lime to your water will give it a fresh, delicious taste and will add some welcomed antioxidants to your body. Limes are a wonderful source of magnesium, calcium, potassium, and vitamins A, B, C, and D. For example, the vitamin C in limes can give your skin a younger, healthy glow. The acidic nature of limes will help your body break down food while you're chewing, which will improve your digestion. And it can help you manage your weight as citrus helps kickstart your metabolism, which means you'll burn more calories. Those are just some of the benefits. We didn't even name them all, so if you want a super easy and delicious way to improve your water, adding a few lime wedges might be the answer. Number 3. Cinnamon sticks. I've heard of adding cinnamon to your tea or coffee, but just plain water? How does that work? Well, you can do it in 2 ways. You can brew it in a tea for about 10 minutes and allow it to cool. You can soak some cinnamon sticks in a jug in the fridge overnight. Either way, you'll have a delicious pitcher of blush-colored, health-infused water. Cinnamon water is a great choice not just for the flavor, but because its antioxidants are supercharged and have anti-inflammatory aspects too. The benefits don't stop there. Cinnamon has been shown to reduce the level of bad or LDL cholesterol in the body while not affecting the good cholesterol or HDL. Plus, studies show that cinnamon can improve sensitivity to insulin by lowering blood sugar levels. Number 4. Mixed berries. Berries in general are one of the most healthy foods you could possibly eat. They're not just great for snacking on though, you can add them to water for a sweet but not too sweet taste. First great thing about berries, the antioxidants. Blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries in particular are some of the best sources. Not to mention that certain antioxidants like anthocyanins, resveratrol, and lactic acid could help in reducing your risk of cancer. If you're more of a strawberry person, that's a great choice too, because strawberries are very high in vitamin C, which helps with youthful skin as well as your immune system. One easy way to make this drink is to slightly crush up the berries before adding them to a pitcher of water. Then you want to cover it and leave it for a few hours or overnight, and when ready, strain the water before serving. Kiwi. Okay, I know we just talked about fruit, but you gotta admit, kiwi is a little different than your average blueberry. It's also got some different benefits for you too. Adding a few kiwi to your water will give it a nice color and flavor, but that drink is now packed with high amounts of vitamin C and particular antioxidants that help treat the symptoms of asthma. One study found that when fruits, including kiwi, were eaten on a regular basis, it reduced wheezing in kids. So if you're prone to asthma, this could be one of the flavors to try. The vitamin C in kiwi also helps with your immune system, and research suggests that kiwi can help you stay healthy when it's cold and flu season. Number 5. Watermelon. Though watermelon does have a lot of health benefits, we picked this one mainly because it tastes good. Besides, watermelon is already 92% water, so you're basically just adding more water to your water anyway. A big one with watermelon is the lycopene, which is a type of antioxidant. Lycopene is associated with lowering the risk of some cancers, and most evidence points to helping the digestive system the most. Watermelon is also packed with loads of nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, magnesium, and citrulline, an important amino acid. For this one, you can just add watermelon to any drink, especially if you carbonate your water. Add a little basil and you have a tasty summer drink that's way better than just plain water. Number 6. Cucumber slices. Not just for a fancy occasion, you can add cucumber to your water anytime. It's a nice way to freshen it up without adding something sweet. Like most things on our list, cucumbers too are rich with antioxidants, but these specific ones can help safeguard you against diseases like cancer, heart disease, eye degeneration, Alzheimer's, and diabetes. Cucumbers are also high in vitamin K, which is great for your bones, tissues, and can help your blood clot properly when it needs to. Why you should make your own detox water. Sure, you can go out and buy 100 different kinds of sports drinks and healthy flavored waters. The convenience might be what wins you over in the moment, but usually when you're buying a pre-made drink, you're getting more than you bargained for in the form of added sugars or carbs. Not to mention your body needs water in order to function properly, so why not just give it what it needs? Your body is constantly losing water with sweating, peeing, and even when you exhale. You'll likely spend less money if you infuse your own drinks as well. You can make a very large pitcher with a small amount of fruits or veggies, and you're more likely to eat the remainder of those fruits and vegetables anyway, so it's kind of a win-win. You're properly hydrated with delicious flavored water, and you get an extra dose of fiber when you consume the actual fruit or veg. Not to mention you can customize your drinks when you make them yourself, which keeps it interesting and will probably keep you drinking water without getting bored of the same old flavors. Okay, now it's time to bust some detox water myths. Myth number 1, it will eliminate toxins from your body. Your body is a well-oiled machine, and it can remove all the toxins you need it to, without any help. In fact, removing toxins and detoxification are buzzwords that don't actually explain the process or what is being eliminated. You're usually not as full of toxins as some products would lead you to believe. Myth number 2, it can rejuvenate your skin and make you look younger. We haven't found the fountain of youth yet, and we're pretty sure you can't buy it in bottle form. Unfortunately, aging happens to all of us, but if you drink the proper amount of water and consume enough vitamin C, your skin probably looks pretty hydrated. Sure, you can eat foods that boost your collagen levels or consume the proper vitamins that protect your skin, but detoxing has little evidence behind making your skin look better. Myth number 3, the alkalizing effect. There are so many waters that claim they can balance your pH levels, but researchers say that you can't actually affect your pH levels by eating or drinking certain foods. Don't fall for this particular type of detox. What's your favorite thing to add to your water? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video, and enjoy.